You're stuck at 15 push-ups, maybe 25 on your best day. You tried those 100 push-ups in 30 days programs. Failed. You grind daily. Your chest burns, your shoulders scream. But that magical number, still impossible. Here's the brutal truth. Your muscles aren't the problem. Your nervous system is. See, most people train endurance completely wrong. They do the same boring routine 5 sets of 15, rest 2 minutes, repeat. Feels productive, right? Wrong. You're training your body to quit at 15. You're programming a ceiling. Your nervous system learns, okay, 15 reps, time to shut down. That's not endurance training. That's comfort training, and comfort never builds monsters. The athletes hitting 100 plus push-ups aren't doing what you think. They're not just doing more volume. They're using something called progressive fatigue stacking, and once you understand this, everything changes. Here's how it works. Your body has multiple energy systems. Most people only train one at a time. But elite athletes, they stack them. They force their body to adapt under cascading fatigue, where each set makes the next one harder, forcing deep muscle fiber recruitment and nervous system resilience. This is how you break plateaus. Listen carefully. Here's the exact protocol hardest variation you can do. Archer push-ups. Decline whatever challenges you. Go to absolute failure. Not, this hurts, actual collapse. Immediately drop down to standard push-ups. No rest. Failure again. Drop to inclined push-ups. Well, bench doesn't matter. Squeeze until nothing's left. Finish on your knees. Yes, even if you're advanced, ego aside, go until your arms physically quit. That's 1 round. Rest 3-5 minutes. Do 2-3 rounds total. Here's the magic. You're training your body to perform under extreme fatigue. Each drop forces your nervous system to recruit dormant muscle fibers. Your body literally has no choice but to adapt, or fail. Do this 3-4 times per week. Not daily. Recovery is where growth happens. In 6 to 8 weeks, you'll go from 15 to 50. Another month, 80 plus. Some of you will hit 100, but here's the warning. Most will quit in week 1. Why? Because this method destroys your ego. It shows you exactly how weak you are. That's uncomfortable. Most people run back to their comfortable 5 times 15 routine. But those who push through, they don't just build endurance. They build an unbreakable mindset. The kind that translates to every area of life. Stop doing the same sets expecting different results. Train like you mean it. Subscribe for more techniques that actually work. No fluff, just results. Now drop and give me 1 round. I dare you.